Hi, my name is Rio Wren, and I am the designer and artist at Raw Textiles here in Portland, Oregon. And today I was going to share with you a short demo of composting butterfly bush. This is kind of a little bit different for me because I haven't actually taught this course to anyone, and I'm in the process right now of figuring out how to teach online courses and versus doing just free demos. And so this is going to be one of those that I'm going to be offering hopefully this winter, maybe late fall. But for this is just a short introduction to some of the process in which I developed in about 2007. I started doing it. So what we're going to be doing in essence is letting these plants speak to you in color. And we're not going to smash them down flatly and try to get an exact replica of what they already look like in a photographic sense, but we're going to allow the plant to give you a remnant of itself, be it color or outline. And this is going to be done through pure manipulation, that we are creating a basis for the plant to plug into. And so that is really the magic of this process. And I hope that you find it magical. And I really can't wait to elaborate on the workshops that I'm planning on doing, like I said, in the future, because I just feel like there's so much joy in just feeling like you have control over something, but yet you're releasing this control to the plant because you're trusting that it is going to give you something. And you have to discover that. So anyway, let's get started because I am tired of talking and I'm going to do this in silence. So there will be words so that you can see, kind of like a step by step. But in essence, I'm not going to really talk until the very end. And so please enjoy and
And I just gotta say that Boney N request, Jackie,
These are the finished samples that were done with the butterfly bush. This is the alum on linen, and this is the alum on silk. You can also see we have the no mordant on silk, which actually is a very brilliant yellow as well, very similar to the linen. And then the last one was the iron pre-mordanted on silk, and that has a really nice color variations.